Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanya Khera and here we are with yet another video. So today it's all about my June favorites. I know we are late because we are nearing July end actually, but मुझे definitely आप लोगों को बताना था कि मुझे जून में क्या क्या चीज़ें throughout I have been using and which were my favorites. So I thought even if it's late I will still do this video. So without further much talking, let's get into it quickly. So just a disclaimer, ये video में I have not bifurcated it in any segment. There's no series or it's not in any proper order, so yeah, let's quickly get into it, starting with my absolute favorite that I have been using in the month of June or even from previously to that is my power bank. So this one is from Belkin, and the only drawback of this power bank is that it's quite heavy, but still it is quite sturdy and very rugged. Moving forward to another item that I have been using are my chashmas. So everyone knows my obsession with sunglasses. So actually with the month of June entirely, mostly month of June I was in India, तो अब धूप थी वहाँ पे, तो हमेशा मैं अपने sunglasses पहन के ही जहाँ पे भी जाती थी बाहर I would wear sunglasses because मेरी आदत है that I don't step out of house without sunglasses, क्योंकि मुझे वो tolerate ही नहीं होता है sun. So this is how they look on me, and I actually like this shape also. तो मेरे काफ़ी sunglasses ये square shape के हैं और like I like oversized sunglasses. So yeah, this is one thing that I was constantly using in the month of June. Next up is food favorite. So this one is these coffee sachets from the brand Bedzilla. So you get this in India on Blinkit or any other applications, delivery apps. So ये Bedzilla का ना actually box आता है, इसमें 4 flavors आते हैं. This one is classic, then you get hazelnut, you get vanilla, and I don't remember, you get another flavor as well. So you get 4 flavors. एक similar brand है Sleepy Owl, so I recommend that brand as well to you guys. So if you guys are but the only drawback of this is कि इसमें ना sugar और milk add करना पड़ता है, so you have to actually make it as a coffee. But if you guys look for a hint of flavor in your coffee, you should definitely try this coffee from Bedzilla or Sleepy Owl also. So both of them have the same concept. They come in same I think flavors also, vanilla, hazelnut, the classic one, and I think the other one that I'm constantly forgetting, I'm not sure. तो डेफिनेटली अगर आप लोग को इफ़ यू रियली वांट कि आप बस पाउडर डालो और कॉफ़ी बन जाए, तो वो नहीं होने वाला इसमें, बिकॉज आपको मिल्क शुगर उसको प्रॉपर्ली कुक तो करना ही पड़ेगा कॉफ़ी जैसे. बट अगर आपको कोई हिंट ऑफ फ्लेवर चाहिए देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई देयर वनीला एंड हेज़लनट फ्लेवर्स. So yeah, this is the food favorite that I was constantly having in the month of June. Moving forward to the other random bits. So one perfume that I stuck to in the month of June is this one from Coach. तो एक्चुअली मेरा रीसेंट परचेज ही है, एंड जब मैं जिनसे बाय कर रही थी परफ्यूम तो उन्होंने बोला ही था कि दैट दिस परफ्यूम का यूजुअली स्टॉक उन लोगों के पास आता नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस परफ्यूम, बहुत ही लॉन्ग लास्टिंग परफ्यूम है, एंड मैंने आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट एक्सक्यूज मी, इट रियली लास्ट लॉन्ग. और इसकी स्मेल बहुत ही मतलब हाउ वुड आई से, इट्स लाइक मोर ऑफ you know floral and fresh scent एकदम वैसी है, and I like the way it sprays also. तो इसका जो atomizer है it's like this, you just press this flower thingy and the perfume gets dispensed, like perfume dispenses. और इसकी स्मेल जो है एकदम ही फ्लोरली है, सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई. सो दिस वन इज कोच ड्रीम्स. आई रियली लव दिस परफ्यूम, आई स्टक टू इट इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. नेक्स्ट फेवरेट इज दिस ब्लश फ्रॉम रोड. सो ये एक्चुअली मैं अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ में भी बोल चुकी हूँ. दिस ब्लश मतलब आई ऑलवेज थॉट कितना हाइप क्या है ये ब्लश का, एंड इट्स जस्ट नॉर्मल ब्रांड, इससे अच्छे ब्रांड्स हैं, बट मैंने बोला कि ये कलर अच्छा है, सो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई. एंड इट्स रियली नाइस एक्चुअली बिकॉज यू सी दिस कलर ऑल्सो, and it's very what do you say, see how creamy it is, and plus ये जो शेड है ना इट्स वेरी नाइस, लाइक ये इतना ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक भी नहीं लगता है, फेस पे रखो डालो, और प्लस एकदम ही नेचुरल फिनिश देता है, एंड द वे इट ब्लेंड्स ऑन योर स्किन इट्स लाइक वेरी बटरी, एंड सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुली इट ब्लेंड्स ऑल्सो. सो इट गिव्स अ वेरी नेचुरल फिनिश. एकदम ज़्यादा मेकअप वाला वो जो लुक आता है ना, जो आपको यूजुअली ऑफकोर्स आप पार्टीज वगैरह में भी यू कैन जस्ट डबल टैप इट एंड मे बी उसका ज़्यादा इफेक्ट आएगा, बट आई डेफिनेटली लव दिस फॉर द डे वेयर. मतलब अगर आप लोग को ऑफिस जाना हो या अगर आपको डे में बाहर निकल के कुछ ऐसा ब्लश चाहिए अपनी चीक्स पे, दिस इज अ मस्ट ट्राई. सो दिस शेड इज फ्रॉम रोड and the shade is Sleepy Girl. So this is my absolute favorite that I was constantly using in the month of June. My next favorite is this mascara from MAC. तो मेरा mascara पहले clinique वाला था, which was my absolute favorite also, but जब मैं airport पे थी तो I thought of getting myself a mascara. So I think I got a lip shade and a mascara from MAC, and I love this. तो ये waterproof है, and I'm just like you know mascara lover. मतलब मुझे कुछ भी यहाँ दो, मुझे सिर्फ mascara दे दो and I'm good to go. So this one is the one that I was constantly wearing in the month of June, and it's Dimension Waterproof Lash. That's the name of the mascara, in case you guys would want to try it. I think ये beauty favorites में final है. So the thing that I was constantly using in the month of June were these face powders. ये मैंने पहले videos में भी बताए हैं. Sorry guys, कोई आ गया था, so I had to get up and I had to halt the video. So where was I? Yeah, so the other favorite and the other product that I have been using since the month of June are these face powders. So I was looking for a face powder. I have used a couple of brands, but this is like something basic that anyone can use, and these ones are from the major thing, good thing about these face powders are like they are tinted. So if you can see this one from Lakme, it's more of tinted skin color powder. Then I have this one from Pond's. This one in particular is my favorite also because you get these high-end brands with this color, but this one is like super affordable, and if you can see, it's more of a rose color. I'm really scared to open this. If you can see, it's rose color, and usually the high-end brands do such powders, and if you're getting anything that is so affordable which can be used every day, why not? So I think these are the powders that I was using constantly in the month of June, also this Lakme one. So the one good thing about this particular face powder or the compact is that it has a SPF, and you can see the amount of times that I have used it. I've already started hitting the pan, and this one is a Lakme Sun Expert powder. It's matte one. So I used to use MAC compact, but I think now this is my new favorite, and I might have to visit India again to get this one, and I will definitely stock up on these, if not the MAC ones. So we are done with the beauty favorites. The last thing in the accessories part are these claw clips, and you can see everywhere on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere you can see these floral clips, and I have loving them and obsessing over them like anything. And and when I went back to India, I went to this local flea market there, and I got myself bunch of these. So you can see right now I'm wearing one of them also. So this is like throughout the month of June I was collecting them, and I was wearing them constantly back to back. And coming back, I think to the final part of my June favorites are my Mighty Birkenstocks. So this is one pair that I carried to India, and no matter it was raining outside, I would prevent from wearing these Birkenstocks because of course they would get spoiled. But otherwise if I was going out, कहीं पे भी मैं जा रही थी, I was literally in them. I wouldn't care कि मैं किसी fancy restaurant में जा रही हूँ, या मैं किसी के घर जा रही हूँ, या मैं किसी से भी मिलने जा रही हूँ, या मैंने कोई भी outfit पहना है. The only thing that I constantly stuck to were my Birkenstocks. मतलब वो कैसा भी लग रहा हो, but they are so comfortable. I recommend everyone to once at least in life buy these, get yourself a pair of Birkenstocks, and I guarantee you that you will keep on wearing them as well as buying them. So yeah guys, I think that is it. यही था मेरा एक summary June favorites का, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.